Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Haitian chestnuts, also known as Labapen in Creole. So for this, you are going to be needing the chestnuts. This is what they look like, or the Labapens, okay? And you are going to be needing quite a bit of salt and some water. I'm starting with 4 cups of water, but we are going to be needing much more. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, you want to go ahead and turn your stove on to medium high. And I went ahead and washed my chestnuts. I washed them like 4 times. You want to make sure that they are really clean. Okay. A friend of mine who lives in Miami sent these to me. I was so excited when he sent them. So thank you, Jermaine, if you are watching this video. So now you want to go ahead and put in the 4 cups of water. We want to make sure that we cover all the Labapen, and you want to make sure you use a tight lid to close this. I could use my pressure cooker, but I want to have a little more control of the cooking because I want it to cook nice and slow, and I want to add water as it's cooking. As the water go down, you want to make sure you keep adding more water, because when they are done cooking, the tough skin, I guess, is going to pop a little bit and open. And you do not want to add salt right now. If you add salt right now, it's going to make them hard. So we want to make sure that they are done cooking before we add the salt. So I'm going to put a tight lid on this and let it cook for 30 minutes. And then we're going to come back and check the water and add some hot water to it just so it can continue cooking. Okay. Alright guys, as you can see, the water has gone down completely. I'm going to go ahead and add another 4 cups of water and cover it again and let it cook for another 30 minutes. And then we're going to do that step again and let it cook for another 30 minutes. So a total of around 1 hour and 30 minutes up to 2 hours of cooking. Okay guys, I put a total of about 12 cups of water, and as soon as you see they start cracking like this, now it's time to put in our salt. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put about a good 2.5 teaspoons of salt. You want to put a lot of salt in this. That's what's gonna make it so delicious. That's the part that we like as little kids, to just suck all the juices before we start peeling it. Okay, so now I'm going to taste the water a little bit. Make sure I mix the salt in. Nice and salty. In fact, I'm going to put just a little more. And then I'm going to cover it back up and let it cook for like 10 minutes, just so all the Labapen can soak in that salty water. Okay? Okay guys, the Labapen is done, and I took one out so I can peel it for you guys. Take a minute to peel it here. If you haven't, please go follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and also come snap with us on Snapchat. I will leave all the link down in the description box for you guys to check out. And I do have this video up in my Creole channel as well. So if you guys wanted to check that out, and the link for that channel will be in the description box as well. Okay, so you basically peel the skin out just like that, and then it is ready to eat. You can see what they look like, and just bring so much childhood memories, you guys. I love this. I can eat this whole thing by myself. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share, and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you grew up eating Labapen, if you're Haitian, if you ever visited Haiti, if you ever tried it while you were visiting. Let me know. Let's talk about this Labapen, because this is life for me right here. But like I said, that's the end of the video. Like the video if you found it useful, and also please share with everybody you know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.